we are going to continue exercise 2.3 in the second chapter, that is polynomials and factorization. Here is the problem. Find the remainder when f of x is equals to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 is divided by g of x equals to x minus 2 and verify the result by actual division. Here is the solution. What is the given polynomial? That is f of x is equals to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 and g of x is equals to x minus 2. We have to find the remainder when f of x is divided by g of x. For that, we have to find the 0 of the polynomial, that is g of x. So, x minus 2 is equals to 0. From this, we will get x value as 2. Now, we have to find the remainder. For that, we have to find f of 2 value. F of 2 is equals to, we have to replace x by 2 in f of x polynomial. That is 2 power 4 minus 3 into 2 power 2 plus 4. Which is equals to 2 power 4 is how much? That is 16 minus 3 into 2 square is 4 plus 4. Which is equals to 16 minus 3 into 4 is 12 plus 4. That equals to 16 minus 12 is how much? 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Therefore, f of 2 is equals to 8, which means the remainder is h. When we divide x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 by x minus 2, we will get the remainder as h. So, remainder is equals to h. Now, we have to verify by actual division method. Verification. Let us consider the given polynomial, that is x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4. We have to divide this polynomial by g of x, that is x minus 2. To get the first term in the quotient, we have to divide the first term by x. So, if we divide x power 4 by x, we will get x cube. Now, we have to take x cube as first term in the quotient. What is the first term in the quotient? That is x cube. Now, we have to multiply x minus 2 by x cube. X into x cube is x power 4. Here minus is there. Minus 2 into x cube is 2x cube. Now, we have to subtract minus. Minus into minus is plus. Plus x power 4 minus x power 4 gets cancelled. Here, if you observe, this is x square term and this is x cube term. We can't add or subtract. We have to write first 2x cube term. Here plus symbol is there. So, we have to write plus minus 3x square. And here the first term is 2x cube. Again, we have to divide this 2x cube by x to get the second term in the quotient. 2x cube divided by x is equals to 2x square. 2x square is the second term. Which symbol we have to take here? We have to take plus symbol because 2x cube is a positive term. Now, 2x square is the second term in the quotient. We have to multiply x minus 2 by 2x square. X into 2x square is how much? That is 2x cube. And minus into plus, minus 2 into 2x square. 2 into 2 is 4, 4x square. Again we have to subtract, minus, minus into minus plus. Plus 2x cube minus 2x cube gets cancelled. Here 4x square, that is plus 4x square minus 3x square. We have to subtract, 4 minus 3 is 1, that means plus x square. And what left here? Plus 4. X square plus 4. Here what is the first term? That is x square. We have to divide x square by x again. If we divide, we will get x. That means the next term is plus x. Next term in the quotient is plus x. We have to multiply x minus 2 by x. X into x is x square and minus into plus is minus 2 into x is 2x. Minus into minus plus. These two gets cancelled. Here plus 4 is there. This is 2x. Plus 2x plus 4. Now we have to divide 2x by x. 2x by x. We will get 2. That means the next term in the quotient is plus 2. Here we have to take plus 2. Now we have to multiply x minus 2 by 2. X into 2 is 2x. Minus into plus is minus. 2 into 2 is 4. So minus into minus plus. These two gets cancelled. 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. 8 is the remainder. That means the answer is exactly right. Let us consider another problem on the same method to understand the concept clearly. Here is the problem. Find the remainder when p of x is equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3 is divided by g of x is equals to 1 minus 2x, and verify the result by long division. Here is the solution. What are the given polynomials? The given polynomials are p of x is equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3, and g of x is equals to 1 minus 2x. We have to find the remainder when p of x is divided by g of x. Further, we have to find the 0 of the polynomial, that is g of x. For that we have to equal g of x to 0. G of x is equals to 0. What is g of x? That is 1 minus 2x. 1 minus 2x is equals to 0. Now minus 2x is equals to, here plus 1 is there. When it comes to RHS side, that becomes minus 1. Minus gets cancelled. 2x is equals to 1. From this we will get x value as 1 by 2. X is equals to 1 by 2. We have to replace x in p of x by 1 by 2. Which means we have to find p of 1 by 2. P of 1 by 2 is equals to x is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole cube minus 6 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 14 into 1 by 2 minus 3. I replaced x value by 1 by 2, which is equals to 1 cube is 1 by 2 cube. 2 cube is 8 minus 6 into 1 square is 1 by 2 square value is how much? That is 4. 2 square is 4 plus 2 ones, 2 sevens. 7 into 1 is 7 plus 7 minus 3, which is equals to 1 by 8 minus 2 twos, 2 threes. 3 into 1 is 3 minus 3 by 2 plus 7 minus 3 is how much? That is 4. Now we have to take LCM. LCM is 8 and here 1 minus 2 4s 8, which means we have to multiply the numerator by 4. 3 into 4 is 12 plus 4 into 8, that is 32. That is equals to 1 plus 32 is 33. 33 minus 12 by 8, which now we have to subtract 33 and 12. That is equals to 33 minus 12 is 21 by 8. Therefore, P of 1 by 2 is equals to 21 by 8. This is the remainder. Remainder is equals to 21 by 8. When we divide P of x by g of x, we will get the remainder as 21 by 8. Now we have to verify whether the remainder is 21 by 8 or not by long division method. We got P of 1 by 2 as 21 by 8. Verification. Consider P of x, that is x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3. It should be divided by 1 minus 2x. I am writing this as minus 2x plus 1. What is the first term here? That is x cube. We have to divide x cube by minus 2x. X cube by minus 2x, which is equals to minus x squared by 2. The first term in the quotient is minus x squared by 2. Now, we have to multiply minus 2x plus 1 by minus x squared by 2. So, minus 2x into minus x squared by 2. Minus into minus plus 2 gets cancelled. X into x is x cube. Plus into minus, minus 1 into x squared by 2 is x squared by 2. Now we have to subtract minus, 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 plus x cube minus x cube gets cancelled. Here plus x squared by 2 and minus 6x squared by 2. First we have to simplify x squared by 2 minus 6x squared. Here LCM is 2. X square minus 2 into 6 is 12. 12x square. X square minus 12x square is 11x square. That is minus 11x square by 2. Here the term is minus 11x square by 2. And we have to write the next term, that is plus 14x. Again we have to divide this first term by minus 2x. To get the second term in the quotient, minus 11x squared by 2 divided by minus 2x, which is equals to minus 11x squared by 2, and here minus 2x by 1 will be there. So, it will become reciprocal when we will multiply. When we multiply, it becomes reciprocal, that is 1 by 2x, that minus. So, x square gets cancelled, minus into minus plus 11x by 2 into 2 is 4. 11x by 4 is the second term in the quotient, that is plus 11x by 4. The second term in the quotient is plus 11x by 4. We have to multiply minus 2x plus 1 by 11x by 4. Minus into plus is minus. 2 into 11 by 4 is 11 by 2. 11 by 2. X into x is x square. Minus 11x square by 2. Plus into plus is plus. 1 into 11x by 4 is 11x by 4. Now we have to subtract. Minus is there. Minus into minus plus, and here minus. These two gets cancelled. Now we have to simplify 14x and 11x by 4. 14x minus 11x by 4. We have to take LCM 4. 14 into 4 is 56x minus 11x, which is equals to 45x by 4. The next term is 45x by 4. And the last term is minus 3. Now, we have to divide this first term by minus 2x. That is 45x by 4 divided by minus 2x. Here, by 1 will be there. 45x divided by 4, I am multiplying minus 2x by 1. Then this becomes reciprocal, that is 1 by minus 2x. Now x gets cancelled. We will get minus 45 by 4 into 2 is 8. Minus 45 by 8. The next term in the quotient is minus 45 by 8. Now we have to multiply minus 2x plus 1 by minus 45 by 8. Minus into minus plus 2x into 45 by 8 is 45x by 4. Now plus 1 into minus 45 by 8. Plus into minus is minus. 1 into 45 by 8 is 45 by 8. Now we have to subtract minus and symbols change to plus. These two gets cancelled. Now we have to simplify. Minus 3 plus 45 by 8. Minus 3 plus 45 by 8 is equals to LCM is 8. 8 3 is 24 minus 24 plus 45 which is equals to plus 21 by 8. The remainder is plus 21 by 8. That means the value which we get is exactly right. Let us consider another problem in the same method. When a polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 2, leaves the remainder 2 and x plus 2 leaves remainder minus 2. Find a and b. Here is the solution. Consider the given polynomial as p of x. Let p of x is equals to 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b. When we divide p of x by x minus 2, we will get the remainder as 2. Before that, we have to find the 0 of this polynomial. X minus 2, that is equals to 0. From this, we will get x value as 2. We have to find p of 2. P of 2 is equals to how much? That is 2. Because if we divide 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b by x minus 2, we will get the remainder as 2. That is given in the question. We have to replace x value by 2 in given polynomial. Now 2 into, in the place of x we have to write 2, that is 2 cube plus 3 into, what is the x value? 2. 2 square plus a into 2 plus b is equals to 2. Now 2 cube is how much? 8. 2 into 8 plus 3 into 3, 2 square is how much? 4 plus a into 2 is 2a plus b is equals to 2. 2 into 8 is 16 plus 3 into 4 is 12 plus 2a plus b is equals to 2. 16 plus 12 is how much? That is 28. We have to take this 28 to RHS side. Now 2a plus b is equals to 2 minus 28. Finally 2a plus b is equals to 2 minus 28 is how much? That is minus 26. Consider this as equation 1. And x plus 2, when we divide the given polynomial by x plus 2, the remainder is minus 2. So we have to find the 0 of this polynomial x plus 2, that is equals to 0. Now x is equals to minus 2. Therefore, p of minus 2 is equals to how much? That is minus 2 only. So now we have to replace x by minus 2 in the given polynomial, that is 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b. So now 2 into x value is minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus a into minus 2 plus b is equals to minus 2. 2 into minus 2 whole cube, we will get minus only. 2 cube is 8 plus 3 into minus 2 whole square is plus 4 plus into minus a into 2 is 2a plus b is equals to minus 2. 2 into minus 8 is how much? That is minus 16 plus 3 into 4 is 12 minus 2a plus b is equals to minus 2. Minus 16 plus 12 is minus 4 because 16 is the greatest number and it has negative symbol. We will get minus 4 minus 2a plus b is equals to minus 2. From this we will get minus 2a plus b is equals to minus 2. When minus 4 comes to RHS side, that becomes plus 4. Now minus 2a plus b is equals to plus 2. Consider this as equation 2. Equation 1 is 2a plus b is equals to minus 26. Now we have to solve equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 is 2a plus b is equals to minus 26 and equation 2 is minus 2a plus b is equals to 2. We have to add these two equations. So we will get 2a minus 2a. These two gets cancelled. Plus b which means plus 2b. That equals to minus 26 plus 2. We have to subtract. Minus 26 plus 2 is minus 24. From this we will get b value as minus 24 by 2. 2 ones, 2 12s. B is equals to how much? That is minus 12. Now we have to substitute b value in equation 1. Equation 1 is 2a plus b is equals to a plus what is the b value? That is minus 12. Minus 12 is equals to minus 26. Now 2a plus into minus 12 is equals to minus 26. Now 2a is equals to minus 26. Here minus 12 is there. When it comes to RHS, that becomes plus 12. Now 2a is equals to minus 26 plus 12. We have to subtract. We will get minus 14. Because 26 is the greatest number, it has negative symbol. Now a is equals to minus 14 by 2. 2 ones, 2 sevens. A is equals to minus 7. Therefore, the value of a is equals to minus 7 and the value of b is equals to minus 12. These are the required answers.